Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Slack notifications for Salesforce opportunity changes step by step clearly. To configure Slack notifications for Salesforce opportunity changes, start by logging into your Salesforce account. From the top right corner, click on the Setup Gear icon. In the Setup menu, type Slack into the Quick Find box. Select Slack under Integrations. Now, click on Connect to Slack to initiate the integration process. You will be redirected to the Slack authentication page. Select the workspace you want to connect with Salesforce. Click on Allow to grant Salesforce access to your Slack workspace. Once connected, return to your Salesforce setup page. In the Slack settings, you will find options to manage notifications. Click on Notification Settings to customize what you want to be notified about. Look for the section labeled Opportunity Changes. Select the specific opportunity changes that you wish to receive notifications for. Next, choose the Slack channel where you want these notifications to be sent. Make sure to save your changes after selecting the channel. Test the notification settings by creating or updating an opportunity in Salesforce. Switch to your Slack workspace to ensure the notification appears in the specified channel. If you do not see the notification, revisit the settings to troubleshoot your configuration. Once confirmed, you're all done and will receive real-time Slack notifications for any opportunity changes in Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.